let's get on. So welcome back to the channel. We're just about to get back on Hyperia, and we've got ourselves a front row seat. We'll be showing this to you. We also recorded this in 360 once again, but with new settings, new camera, so it's a shake-free image. And yeah, so if you put your VR headset on, you'll find, unlike the last video we did, it'll be a very smooth ride, much higher quality, and yeah, it'll be all in all better experience. But we've got it in 2D, which is what you're watching right now. The other will be in the link in the description down below. But yeah, enjoy. Looking forward to this one, aren't we?
Oh, yeah.
Let's get on.